You finish breakfast feeling satisfied, focused, and calm. No jitters, no crash, and your glucose graph looks boring in the best way. Today, I'm showing you 3 breakfast blueprints that do exactly that. We'll build each step by step, explain the why behind every choice, and give you simple swaps for different carb tolerances. By the end, you'll know how to design breakfasts that fit your life, your taste buds, and your meter without feeling like you're on a diet. Part 1. The Smart Toast Blueprint. Low carb, high fiber bread done right. Narrative bread isn't the enemy. Blood sugar whiplash is. So our first breakfast is all about choosing bread that behaves, then pairing it to slow digestion. Choose your base. Pick one based on your carb budget. Base culture style keto almond, coconut bread, 4 grams net carbs. Slice very low impact sprouted whole grain bread approximately equals 10-12 grams net carbs. Slice moderate impact Ezekiel style bread approximately equals 12 grams net carbs. Slice nutrient dense but higher than the 2 above. Make it work harder for you. Toast the slice, cooling it. Refrigerate after toasting. Then retoast adds a touch of resistant starch. Small change, real help. Build number 1. Avocado plus egg. Smart toast ultra low spike. 1 toasted keto slice, 1 half-ripe avocado, mashed with lemon, salt, chili flakes. 1-2 eggs poached, fried in olive oil, or soft-boiled. Optional. Arugula or spinach on top. Why? It works. Fiber plus fat plus protein. The avocado's soluble fiber and fat slow glucose entry. Eggs add protein and satiety. The toast gives structure without a carb bomb. Build number 2. Sprouted, balanced. Toast 1 toasted sprouted slice to TBSP almond butter, or 1/4 avocado cinnamon dusting. Pinch of cheese side of 1 to 2 eggs or cottage cheese. Why? It works. Pairing moderate carbs with protein and fat flattens the curve and keeps you full. Label traps to dodge quick scan. Added sugars, honey, molasses, malt syrup. Starches high on the list. Tapioca, potato, arrowroot, multi-grain without 100% whole as the first ingredient. Personal test protocol. Keep it simple. Check before eating and at 60 and 120 minutes. If your rise greater than 20 to 30 milligrams DL, drop to a lower carb bread or add more protein, fat, fiber. Part 2. The protein anchor plate. Steady energy. No surprises. Narrative protein is your breakfast shock absorber. It blunts glucose spikes, crushes cravings, and keeps you focused. But the type and pairings matter. Core build. Eggs plus greens plus omega-3s. 2 eggs, any style. Cooked in olive, avocado oil. Big handful, sautéed spinach or kale. Garlic, lemon, salt. 2-3 OZ smoked salmon or 93 to 100% lean turkey. Optional. 1/4 avocado. Dill, capers. Why? It works. Protein plus healthy fats plus fiber-rich greens create a slow, steady digestion pace. Omega-3s South support insulin sensitivity and heart health. Swaps if you don't want egg-full fat. Unsweetened Greek yogurt. Aim 5g carbs. Serving stir in 1 TBSP chia, plus 1 TBSP ground flax, plus a few walnuts. Optional. A small handful of berries if you tolerate. Then cottage cheese bowl with cucumber, tomatoes, olive oil, herbs. Leftover dinner. Protein, turkey, salmon. Lean beef over arugula with olive oil. Hidden pitfalls. Healthy yogurts with 12 to 20 grams sugar per cup. Breakfast meats with dextrose, corn syrup, or high-sodium lean protein. Alone add fat and or fiber to prevent hunger and rebounds. Portion. Sweet spot, 20 to 30 grams protein at breakfast, fits most people well. Going far beyond that can trigger gluconeogenesis and some if your post-meal numbers creep up. Dial back and add more greens, fats. Part 3. The slow burn fats bowl, fiber-rich fats that flatten curves. Narrative healthy fats don't spike. glucose, but they do control the speed of digestion and, when you add viscous fiber, you get a breakfast that rides like a luxury car over a pothole road. Build chia flax, power pudding. Make a head 3/4 cup unsweetened almond milk or combo with Greek yogurt 1 tbsp, chia seeds plus 1 tbsp ground flaxseed, 1-2 tbsp nuts, walnuts, almonds, pinch cinnamon, vanilla, and a micro squeeze of lemon optional tiny handful of berries or cacao nibs. Rest 10 to 15 minutes or overnight. Add a scoop of Greek yogurt for extra protein if you need it. Why it works. Chia's soluble fiber forms a gel that slows glucose entry. Flax adds fiber and ALA omega-3s. Nuts add satiety. Result: long, flat energy. Avocado plate 5-minute version, 1/2 to 1 avocado. Sliced sea salt, lemon. Olive oil drizzle side of turkey slices or leftover salmon. Few cherry tomatoes or cucumbers for crunch nut. Butter rules: choose jars with just nuts plus salt. Keep to 1-2 tbsp and pair with protein or high-fiber bases, celery sticks, chia pudding, Greek yogurt. Avoid added sugars and palm hydrogenated oils. Storage and prep notes: keep ground flax refrigerated. Whole flax passes through U-grind. It, or by ground, stir separated oil back into nut butters. Avocado oil works well for cooking high smoke point. Keep avocado itself raw for nutrients. Mini myth bust: quick, useful, done. All sprouted breads are low carb. False: better than white bread, but carbs still add up. Zero carb means zero spike. Not always big protein hits or additives can still nudge glucose. Keto bread is automatically good. Not if it's loaded with starches or sweeteners. High on the ingredient list, 7-day rotation you can actually stick to on. Avocado egg smart toast keto bread plus Greens Tuesday. Greek yogurt bowl chia. Ground flax, walnuts, cinnamon wed. Eggs plus smoked salmon plus sautéed spinach. Thursday, cottage cheese plus cucumber. Tomatoes, olive oil, herbs fry. Chia flax pudding make ahead plus Greek yogurt. Scoops at sprouted toast plus almond butter plus chia sprinkle. Side egg sun. Turkey and veggie omelet 1/4 avocado. How to personalize with your meter. The tiny habit that changes everything. Test pre-meal. Then again at 60 and 120 minutes. If you see greater than 20 to 30 milligrams, DL rise, drop bread, carb load, swap sprouted, gives keto, add or increase greens, avocado, chia, flax move, for 10 to 15 minutes post-meal walk. Light chores: do this for a week, and you'll know your best breakfast, no guesswork. Just data, simple grocery snapshot, so you don't overthink it. Eggs. Smoked salmon or lean turkey. Full-fat, unsweetened Greek yogurt. Avocados, spinach, kale, chia, ground flax, walnuts, almonds. Keto or sprouted bread that passes the label test. Olive avocado oil, lemons, cinnamon. Closing breakfast sets your curve. For the day, when you pair protein plus fiber plus healthy fats, you buy yourself calm, focus, and control without giving up flavor. Start with one blueprint this week. Test your response and tweak. Your meter will tell you when you've nailed it. If you want, I can turn these into printable recipe cards and a 1-page fridge checklist. Just say recipe cards.